treat setbacks as lessons, no, not proof that nothing can improve. When you try something new, chances are, no, you have some 50-50% chance that it will fail. Okay? And if it fails, learn the lesson, no? Keep your standards, adjust your tactics when needed. Importante yung mataas na standard, pero importante din na realistic tayo na baka medyo kailangan bawasan yung target, make it more realistic because of the situation. That's something that maybe we can think about, no? Ang isa sa pinag-iisipan ko sa mga sandaling ito is, ano ba ang pwede kong gawin para matulungan ko yung mga team members ko economically, maybe even to the point of sacrificing some profit para masustain nila yung kanilang pamumuhay, no? So, that's something that I need to discuss with my GM, yung aking head ng finance, kung anong pwede namin gawin in case mangyari yun, no? Kasama ito dun sa scenario planning, okay, na kailangan nating gawin, ano? Nung pandemic, we did that. Ano yung mga sacrifices na pwede nating gawin in order to keep the company alive? Kasama doon yung pangungutang. nung pandemic, kung hindi ako nakapangutang sa bangko, hindi siguro kami magsusurvive, no? So,